mess here I gotta clean up. Oh, hello viewers, and welcome back, and welcome to the channel. In case you're new here and you're wondering what this channel is about, well, this channel is about doing things for yourself. I'm going to show you how to deal with electrical things, other electrical things, DC powered things, household stuff, how to fix things around the house, construction, making use out of leftover products, painting, cleaning, solar, and even tool reviews. We'll throw in the kitchen sink. So, we have a lot of videos coming up. We have a lot of videos we've done already. So, subscribe and like and stick around for this channel. If you like the stuff we do, there's more of it. If you have suggestions and things you want us to do, then let us know and we'll be happy to add it to the bunch. So, I gotta clean up this mess. I'll see you guys real soon.